the working demo or a prototype of InterprepAI. So these are my credentials that I'm trying to sign in. So as you can see, this is how the modules that we have built so far. This is a dashboard page. This is a roadmap. Here how we take interview. So this is profile page. So here you have to update your LinkedIn profile and just so the resume has been uploaded and analyzed successfully. And as you can see from resume, all the skills has been updated in skill sections, and I'll give these both as my languages that I prefer. Save changes. So your data will be saved successfully in the database. And when you come to data dashboard, you can see the resume has been analyzed and it's ready for the next step. So analysis is complete and the top skills are identified as JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, HTML, CSS. And when you press generate your personalized roadmap, it will generate you a personalized roadmap on your specified skill that you or a specified role that you want to be a master in it. So as you can see, it takes some time. Yeah, it has been generated for the role software engineer. In this, you can see from the resume that you have uploaded. From that, the REI has identified some skill gaps to the specified role. As you can see, these are the skills gap that you have there to achieve to that role. So we have a two-term plan. We have made a two terms of plan, a short-term plan and a long-term plan. So this is how it looks. So when you go to interview, you can see from there you can check out the difficulty level, interview persona, how you want, and the role that you want to go. And we have a three interview type: behavioral, technical, and role specific. On all this, you can select any one you want. And I'm going with behavioral. My difficulty level is medium, interview persona is neutral, and my job role or industry is software engineer. And I'm starting the interview. As you can see, the interview is started. The AI is gathering some questions.
Describe a significant technical challenge you faced at
So, as you
InterprepAI
can see,
related to scaling a particular service or
the
handling
AI
high
has
data
been given
throughput.
as a question from
How did you
president.
diagnose the bottleneck, and what architectural or implementation decisions did you make to resolve it, leveraging your experience with technologies like microservices, AWS, EC2, Lambda, RDS, or Redis?
Hi. So there was a technical challenge that I faced when creating Interprep AI. So it's analyzing our answers. So there will be 5 questions, and here is a live facial analysis is active. I'll show you that. The
Sure.
overall score of 0%, and I've got a summary. As you can see, this is what it says. Along with that, I have a full transcript that what I have spoken there for the question. So this is an option or feature that you can ask about your feedback. So as I said, there is no feedback in a manual interview preparation. So here we have added a feature to ask how was your interview. So you can go like hi. So it takes some time. So hi there. Thanks for completing a mock interview session with Interprep AI. So you can see it says like this, and you can go to dashboard. So you can see the progress here. The total interviews have been taken. The average score that I have got 0%, and you can see the last interview that I have took today. And the recent interviews, you can see that behavior interview software engineer role. So I took before 1 minute, and in skill progress, it was a complete. The average score was zero, so when it shows zero. And here you can see the AI powered tips, and this is how and this is what the candidate's profile looks like. So we'll go to the recruiter side, and I'll show you how the recruiter side interface looks like. So we'll go to sign up. So I'll give Gemini as the recruiter name. Provide some random mail. I have a password. And I'm going with recruiter create account. So this is how the recruiter dashboard looks like. And also you can see the profile section here. Just press it changes and everything will be saved into database. And this is how the settings looks like. So you can take the weekly reports and save. So you have assessment settings. So you can give a minimum score. Also default assessment time rate of 60 minutes. That completely your wish. So there is like auto reject failed assessments. So you can on this the failed assessments will be auto rejected and save the settings. So everything is saved and everything is perfect. Go to assessments page. Here you can see my assessments, all submissions and shortlisted students. So here the HR can create their own assessments and send it to the candidates. So I'm going with the Java developer role, and so for making it even more easier, we have made generate with AI. So we just need to select the job role and everything will be taken care by the AI. So as you can see, the questions are being generated. So just click create assessment. Once the assessment is created, you can see here the assessment has been already created. Just copy link and send it to candidates, and the candidate will attend this test with camera enabled, microphone enabled, and they can cheat or no. So this is how the both interface works. Thank you.